welcome back to a new vlog. Welcome back, guys. If you're new here, my name is Confidence Diwakwani, popular known as confidence_@mp. Feel free to follow me on all my social media platform. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and be part of my family. Hi guys, to my returning family, my squad. Welcome back, guys. This is a new vlog. Ask me why I'm starting a vlog on a Thursday. Guys, my hairline is going. Hairline is braids. Anyway, Hariomo. Welcome back to a new vlog. I'm starting this vlog today. It's a Thursday. I just took a bath. I'm done. I'm here to cook now, but I'm not taking you guys with me to cook next time. What's this? Oh, the reason why I started the vlog today is because tomorrow is my Mojolo anniversary. Yeah, it was Mojolo. Before marriage is Mojolo, you know. So yeah, I just decided to start the vlog for in case if I do anything interesting, so that you guys be part of my life, right? So okay, guys. Yeah, welcome back to a new vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Happy Thursday to everybody. I'm not going anywhere, just cooking after cooking, watching TV. Nah, no plans for today. No plans. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. I'm cooking. So I have no plans for today. And yeah, guys, I love my skin. It's giving. As Bopilo K will say, ke montle, and ke montle. I love her so much. Hey, shout out to her. Anyway, yeah, guys, welcome to a new vlog. Whatever I'll be doing, I'll just show you, but I'm doing nothing today. I just opened this vlog for tomorrow, for when I do something with my partner for an anniversary, our Mjolo anniversary. Anyway, as I unlock my phone, this is what I get tomorrow. Let's see how many subscribers are we on. Oh, this thing is showing me babies. Guys, wait. Not right, but anyway. Focus. Good morning, my people. How are you? I'm good, and you? Good. I've been awake. What's aching? I've been awake. So today it's my anniversary. I'm doing laundry. I'm busy working. I'm a housewife. Anyway, it's Friday. I'm not working. Okay, I am, but I'm not, because I'm home. So I'm doing from home, you know. So anyway, it's 10 now. I'm busy with laundry. I just made my man breakfast. We shall talk. Let me go clean, guys. My nails, they're coming out. Only these 3 left. This side, 2 left. I'm going to hang the clothes, and here I'll see you guys when I'm done. My room is a mess. Doing laundry. Let's go wash. This has been a long day. I am still busy, and I gave 5 And there's load shedding at 6. But I'm going to take a bath. We'll talk soon. See you. To our destination. Sorry that you can't see me, but I'll vlog inside. Let's go. I am sorry. Here's my man. You can't see him there. It's so dark in here. Let me wear my shoes and we go. To my channel. I know you guys can't hear me, but I'm here with my baby. Say hi.
Hello.
He said hellos. Guys, game on it. And it seems like I'm talking to myself. It's weird. So guys, I forgot my tripod, so I'll show you there and there. Oh, my feet, guys, my feet. I'll show you what I'm wearing. It's dope. Oh, I look stunning. As Wopiloke will take, guys. Imunte, guys. Like Imunte, that's what Wopiloke is. And here I am. Check out this place. to say this was so cute of cream. Yo, it's so dark in here. Let's go home. Done eating dinner. Hi guys, it's a brand new day, another money, another dollar. Hi guys, before I explain Mojolo anniversary what, here is a plug. Good skin. If you want a good skin, if you can't afford all this serum, cleanser, tone, what, here's your baby. Here is your baby. Vitamin C and zinc. Mara, the elders say this will make you consume things that you're not supposed to consume in your belly. So guys, I'm not a doctor, it's the elders. Anyway guys, it's just a plug for good glowing skin. Anyway guys, so sorry about that. I was cold. Guys, there's nothing for lunch. Let's go quickly bake something easy, man. Go quickly do something. But I don't have space in my phone and I'm vlogging with my phone. But anyway, let's go do something to feed the mans. Let's go, guys.
I begin to
This was me heating the pan so that there are no bubbles. So guys, I did not have enough space, but this is how they came out. They look so good and taste so good. Woo! It's so hot. Anyway guys, I didn't have enough space. I just deleted one video to record this right now. I don't have enough space. So guys, I'm done baking, as you saw, just for people to eat in the house. Anyway, just for clarity about why I call it Mojolo anniversary, guys, that was the day we first said I love you, you know, where we drew those circles. That was the first day. Me and my partner, we love that day so much because it reminds us a lot of stuff, and we laugh about it. So we will forever celebrate, even if it's just breakfast, lunch, dinner. We'll forever cherish that day, because if it wasn't for that day, we wouldn't be together today. So, wedding day, we will celebrate, but unfortunately for now, not for now, we will celebrate. We will continue celebrating our Mojolo anniversary because it means a lot to us. Otherwise, guys, I don't have enough space for you all to preach and preach and preach and preach and preach. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, view, don't skip ads, and mostly don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Please comment down below. I'm going to do a story time. Please guess what the story time is about, or give me an idea what I should do a story time about. Whatever topic you want, I will be doing. Or just ask me questions on the comment. I will answer on my story time. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.